Hi guys, it's the 4th of July today, and I was just going to kind of show you what we're doing. So, right here, we have all of our fireworks we're going to be launching. And we're going to be having a fire, too, and we're going to make some food. So I'll show you later. Fire in the hole! Okay guys, now we're starting off with the Iron Pig.
And also I'm just gonna
Is this okay? Here?
I'm just gonna do a quick little dance.
Guys, we're doing a close.
I'm just gonna do a quick little dance.
Okay, guys, we're doing a close up.
That's it.
Okay, back up. You have to back up. Okay, here's the Iron Pig, the opening. 2025, 4th of July.
Yeah!
Woohoo!
This is the best opening so far. I think this is my best opening. Guys, that was really loud in real life, but it could have been quiet. I think it's going to be quiet. Guys, that would probably be like a lot quieter for you, I think. For in the camera on your TV, for us in real life, because that was really loud.
Yeah, now what do we do?
So, if you
we
guys
always like kick that one?
if you guys don't like loud noises, this isn't the video for you.
Or just plug your ears.
Yeah.
Like not
Okay.
like in these squares.
On the next.
Okay, I'm gonna go over
next
here.
fireworks.
Woo!
Guys, on the next fireworks. This is the guest floor. It's gonna be a surprise. That was a surprise.
Okay.
Next
Now we're gonna do a not a Roman candle, but next up we have just a little itty bitty candle, but
Still, it's gonna be a big surprise.
yeah.
It's gonna
But-
be a better surprise than you
But
think.
this one's better than you think.
Yeah. You know, I've never seen them.
They go up high.
Yeah.
That's what they do.
No, I don't think I guess that's what I would expect from a small candle like this. Small firework. And
Okay.
guys, also make sure you have parents with you, cause our dad's lighting it. So yeah. So we have.
Okay, now we're doing summer vacation.
I don't think I've ever seen this one.
Okay, guys. So yeah, now we're doing summer vacation. Those two are really cool. 3, 2, whatever.
The first two are probably the best so far. But
Yeah.
we have a really good one at the end.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's go. Boogity, boogie, boogie.
Okay. Oh wow, that's a summer vacation there.
Yeah, this is a good summer vacation.
Wait, what's a short
No,
one?
it could. Okay. Okay, now we're doing lemon fever.
It was a good summer vacation, but it wasn't that long. Mommy, that's lots of fun. That was like really good.
Okay, we
You
got
should like
lemon fever. Okay, guys, now we have lemon fever.
Ethan's just scooting around behind over there, so yeah. Okay, it's starting. Oh wow!
Yeah.
Sea unicorn.
Okay, it's recording. Okay, now we got Henrik's favorite sea unicorn. But sorry, guys, we forgot the Freedom 76. Sorry about that. Oh, Henrik. Okay, back.
Back up.
Yeah, same.
It's my favorite out of all of them. Like, why wouldn't I be excited?
Ooh, that sounds cool. Oh, these ones get loud, remember? I'm not.
That was amazing. That was amazing.
Oh,
there's more.
Okay, guys, that one was
amazing.
huge.
That was. I know why that one's not my. God, wait,
June bugs. No. Do one at a time.
wait, Benson. Wait. Guys, like in like real life, it looks like over there it's like all smoky. Like all the smoke.
Yeah, there's so much smoke over
Yeah,
there.
like I don't
Okay.
think you can see it on camera.
June bugs.
That's like what. This is like such a good one.
Yeah, it's little.
It's such a
Okay,
good
it's doing pretty good for a little one.
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna come back.
I heard like
Okay, guys.
It was like
Now we're doing a repeat, so we're gonna turn the camera.
Is it on?
Okay, guys. Now we are gonna be doing green globe.
And at the end of June bugs, I heard this like weird sound. I don't know if you guys heard it, but if you heard like a weird sound at the end of June bugs, post it down in the comments.
Yeah, I can get all these ready.
I'm just doing stuff that YouTubers would do.
Yeah. And guys, soon Henrik will be having a channel.
Yep.
Hopefully.
I've only posted two. I got 2 videos ready.
Yeah.
So
he's
I
got
don't
some
know.
videos.
I don't
think I
know if
might
I'm gonna
actually
get a
do
channel. So you guys, we'll probably make a little video about it on my brother's channel, so you guys know about it. Cause my brother mentioned the only one with a channel here besides my dad.
Okay, guys. Now we're doing Pomastic. This one looks like a big one. So I'm gonna mob the 3-wheeler around and around now,
Can I
baby.
move the camera back?
Okay, let's go, guys.
Okay. Okay, starting out strong. with
Guys,
the-
and comment down below if you guys have or are having a 4th of July celebration. I was just about to run up and grab the camera and pull it back. I'm like, oh crap, I'm gone. Yo!
Okay, guys, that looks like a whole bunch of stars just stuck together, like. And
Yeah, I'm gonna move this back. I'm gonna do like what we see for a couple fireworks.
This is like what we see from it.
Yeah.
So you guys are getting our view
Yeah.
of it.
Okay. Oh. Probably ran in the house because he's scared. Okay, it's okay. This one's.
I don't know what to expect
He's
from
right
these
there.
fireworks, so yeah.
Okay, this one's okay.
Yeah, I think it could be better.
Yeah, that one was okay.
So
Okay,
next
guys, now we're gonna do Miss Glitter.
it's glitter. It's probably gonna look like really shiny and it's probably gonna be like really like sparky, like with like a whole bunch of sparks and stuff. So get ready, guys. That's just what I think. Cause like it could be look glittery.
The rocks got dyed from those candles. We're already almost done with fireworks.
I think I should stop talking because I think people are starting to get annoyed by me.
Yeah, and guys, remember, don't do this at home.
Just a quick little dance flip.
Very dangerous.
Guys have to sneak it in sometimes.
Guys, now I'm trying. It's the small. Yeah. No.
Okay, guys.
Okay, this is another one with our view.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, I've been trying to post a lot. I have a summer camp, a Kayla's World video, but it's probably like 3 hours long, so that will take me like 2 days to edit. But I will try to get that one out as soon as possible. But this one will be out probably pretty quick.
Hey, guys, we also have the title for my channel, Henrik's Crazy and Fun Adventures.
Yeah.
So just type that in, and if you don't know how to spell my name, it's H-E-N-R-K. H-E-N-R-I-K. If I did that too fast, I don't know. My brother could probably tell us.
Henrik, I'm gonna blur that part out, you spelling your name, okay?
Yeah.
Just because. You know, I'm just gonna blur you saying your name. Okay, we got another one. Oh.
This one looks like a Christmas tree.
It does. Oh, some green.
Now it's even more like a Christmas tree.
Okay. Now we're doing another one kind of like it, called Razzle Dazzle. Razzle Dazzler. Kind of want to come? Okay. So yeah. This one's gonna go. Hee 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 ha. Henrik, come on. You come talk to me. Okay, guys. So Henrik's coming back. This one's called Color Shock.
Yeah, I saw this one before.
Yeah, it's like the sea unicorn, which that one probably was a crazy camera shot.
Yeah. I'm looking how you guys see it on camera, and it doesn't look as cool as it does in real life.
Yeah. Yeah, it just probably looks like a big glowing ball
Yeah.
for you guys.
Cause like we see like how it like divides and stuff.
That one was crazy. Okay, guys, now we're doing a view from back here. So, me and Henrik aren't really going to be standing back here talking. So, yeah. That's really what it's going to be. Is it okay for us to stand back here? Is this too close? Okay. So, we're just going to go over here. So, yeah, we're really sweaty because we had a campfire.
As much water as I can.
Woohoo! Well, this one really brightens it up. Lord. Oh my gosh, guys. Henrik, what do you think of that one?
That's scary more than the sea unicorn. I sweat and cover my ears.
Yeah.
I'm drinking water because I'm thirsty and I'm
Yeah, I jumped back on that. That one was crazy. Easton, How are your thoughts on the 4th of July fireworks show? Do you like it?
Yeah. Are you kind of scared? You too.
Okay. Now we're doing this side angle. Henrik, this one, Dad, was that crickets? Dad, was that the crickets?
I think I did a pretty good job picking out a box this year.
Guys, that made me drop my water. It spilled a little bit, but I still have more water.
Guys, that was my second favorite one. Okay, guys, wait, oh, we already did my favorite one. What? Guess the blue one.
And guys, stay tuned for the finale. You guys are probably want to plug your ears to that one.
Yeah. Okay, we have this one and one more than the finale.
Yeah, that's always the best one of the year.
Woo! Woo-wee! Okay, guys, second to last one. Dad, what's this one called?
Northern Light.
Ooh, we got Northern Light.
Guys, that made me go in our back garage there. It was so loud.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, the grand finale. Here she is.
This is one of my least favorites, but also my favorite. Because I think it's
Okay.
because of how loud it is.
Woo! Woohoo!
Guys, tell us down in the comments if you like the sea unicorn or the finale better. I would say of like.
I honestly like the sea unicorn better.
Yeah,
It's just like,
how cool it looked. That definitely went to the sea unicorn, and how loud it was. I think it was a tied out one.
and guys,
How-
comment down below if you guys did a firework video.
And that was